Oh boy, yeah, mama kai. Young Bakubias those days that also basso passa. Ivorian musician be that those days. Hey, sometimes dancing floor the Vanya show. That's no one buy it, and yet. The Bob you be say let the memory snip back. The memory snip back. Oh, your near friend Zibote. That I call him Sanyom Zibote. When the dancing floor was for us. Zibote. Kevin, Satam Yang only you near Womo. Oh, Sanyom no. Oh, Sanyom no. Yes, I'm Kitwa. Hey. Those days, yes, I'm Kitwa. Okay. you were coming if I can hear do so. You can get easy and no one. I don't once upon a time, we catch as a can you do the one day cry rock. Hey, politics talk is cheap. From home, why your own words will be used against you. Your own words becomes your own devil. Alright, I love this one. Thank you. Now, Minister for Energy. Also, Akas Mauze, there is a table going circulating around. That rather Minister Kase, there is a reason there will be a timetable. Now, timetable about Bontina, Obia only up say if we Grico, if we ECG, if we VRA, if we Netco, if we ministry, no, Tianina Musa. You see, sometimes almost the new test water. They test the waters, no. Oh, we are not feel married draw. Or we are response in a negative. Quickly, say, pa. If the sad timetable, no, according to minister, does not stand there. And yet, what happens to a arrangement or whatever? But yet, minister. You hear what the minister said in regards to you can say timetable, no? The Honorable John Jinapo Ekai.
Because it's not like the regular load shedding, where you are aware that for a foreseeable period of time you cannot restore power. We cannot do weekly publications. In fact, engineers are working around the clock. Within this week, they are pushing to restore all the plants back online. And so we can only provide you with a very short interval period. Indeed, this morning, we published a schedule for 6 o'clock to 6 p.m. That's 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. This afternoon, they've had to review it because one more plant is come on with about 140 megawatts. And so we would not live in denial. When we face challenges, we will tell Ghanaians. We know that, like me, every Ghanaian wants to enjoy uninterruptible supply of power. But I also do know that Ghanaians also appreciate it when we have genuine challenges that is not caused by policy failure or intentional. Because it is fluid. Because it's not like the regular load shedding, where you are aware that for a foreseeable period of time, you cannot restore power. We cannot do weekly publications. In fact, engineers are working around the clock. Within this week, they are pushing to restore all the plants back online. And so we can only provide you with a very short interval period. Indeed, this morning, we published a schedule for 6 o'clock to 6 p.m. That's 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. This afternoon, they've had to review it because one more plant is come on with about 140 megawatts. And so we would not live in denial. When we face challenges, we will tell Ghanaians. We know that, like me, every Ghanaian wants to enjoy uninterruptible supply of power. But I also do know that Ghanaians appreciate it. New challenges that is not caused by policy failure or intentional. Because it is fluid. Because it's not like the regular load shedding, where you are aware that for a foreseeable period of time, you cannot restore power. We cannot do weekly publications. In fact, engineers are working around the clock. Within this week, they are pushing to restore all the plants back online. And so we can...
Okay. So the timetable, no? So, dear Minister, JJ. Now, JJ Chema John Jinapo. Sir, and I'll share some of the videos. Video have the videos. Now, Omuye installation. See, installation sometimes unim say Abia. Any per 50 and a bit mashomu. But Omar then install some of the megawatts. And to install it megawatts Nibia. What happens and they say any per 60 hours and carry show muno. They say less Tiabia bell 40. And to the sad timetable, the Atomic team farm Marbontia say, the Bano Mabesan. The Bano Mabesan. They say one share crown who the actual one. Come the baby of Bessan. Because the work is ongoing. Oje installation at a show air cost. And now the way back set timetable no your back of your mind ABCD. Eba, do you have the ABCD one? ABCD by Omana Okasebia. And then segment A for your baby doom A for Nina B for. But the Omo Sayaba. And so the minister here, the first timetable on the Babontino, they have to come back and review it. Because certain installations are. Installation, the number of megawatts as a timer. Na timetable, the first timetable no. Na enu sa megawatts after the installation omonya. Etiafa say 1,000 megawatts. Installation you know abenya biaka ho amna do 1,500. So timetable no 6 hours. Now you can do 5 hours or you can exempt certain areas. So exempting some of these areas, no, abema timetable, no, and yet consistent. You will not see the right timetable open because of the fluctuations and then the changes are ebem. And as it stands now, no, we don't have, according to what the minister, if I should take the minister by what he said that. You need timetable because the first timetable the buy no has been reviewed. You review no. As I say no, you won't say first one equals the second one so fufro. But with assurances say they have a lot of engineers on more site. And the engineers are working around the clock. And they say, you bet me anya pa adiama Ghanaians. That's the most important thing. So we can only take the minister for his word and see, say, indeed, the so-called review timetable, no, yen wuni sa, and I said you may be beba ebe improve yen situation, because the current situation in there is even more than 6 hours. Oh, why you timi doom no 12 hours? Timi doom no 13 hours. Timi doom no ebu okra na dem ya kra ne say. Ka onya continuity na say ade na eto aso no won say ebia 3 hours, 2 hours. Aka no kra de nkemu ye de kakra. But the sad thing is say, oh why you timi doom no 30 minutes. Ni asa abeso. Ni asa doom 20 minutes. Ni asa abeso. Yeah, I don't understand go for your man. No, that is my worry. Because when him says 6 hours. Now within the 6 hour period, you know, Warren Junior man won't send ye time ye dia bro. Ababa why now complaining of the fruit company why a lot of things they say the cold store business papa nso be kan once. Then you know set time way to time way. Akwa me dey ba be faso nie. Time way to time way. Time way to time way kwa me dey be faso nie. But say anya consistent. Na you do 30 minutes. Na ya ba. Ni ya do 10 minutes. Ni ya ba. Na wo jina onu achia wani na wo hwe kan e se na esi bobo a. Kan ya na ekose ya. Then it's worried. But I also agree with the minister. Say we have timetable cry because you don't know the timer. Odi bi beka ho. And don't forget say you don't know the time so be better trigger or inside. And just the positive side there can be a time but something can trigger inside. Oh inside though. I say 6 hours no cry 7 hours. So they don't have to commit themselves. The moment they said they cannot give a permanent or a reliable timetable, no, I realize say they don't want to commit themselves. There is no commitment here. If you can say A, B, C, D for with the A in Accra and that 28th Lashibi Tantra Hill Dome aha Mubenya this time from Abia 8 a.m. near sort of somewhere around you can say 2 p.m. Now Abia B near Ashanti region. Mo walk kwada so abua kwata no so ye boa. Mo so your bedroom the time way yeah that bowie. That is how the timetable looked like. And people and they say Mami ka baby e bedroom. But as minister is saying, you know, time we no the omanya addition of megawatts because of installations no mo you know. Omanya addition. So again the addition means say you cannot follow the timetable. But the engineers are who adwuma no. Mimi de enu. They know ibi de beka ho bia no. The megawatts are ebe provided. The additional megawatts e ba beka ho. So if you know say sorry, if you know say currently we have 20,000 and I have 2,000 megawatts of power. And then you bet my installation I be no at 1,000 megawatts of power ne beka ho a the catch on say sorry the catch on say with 2,500 baba beka ho 1,000 ne baba beka ho so per calculation no now we will not go for 4 hours or 3 hours but they be about 2 hours. The engineers should be able to tell us because when everything is calculated installation be maybe in the number of megawatts at Babacon. But at least they should be committed. One committed who one there doom and on to me country because we have because and someone can say a swear boy for a crown for a benyan from 11 to 12. In the other a ball 11 to 11:30 more numno. Now ball 12 the more dumno to 1. And I say 12 na per home 1 the more on. They don't want any commitment. But at least there should be a commitment. If not weekly, we should have a daily something because then we can plan for the following day. That is what means to so. Then then people will not complain. People will not complain. But if you don't have timetable like this, I know by a thing. And it's up timetable now make us say also your review until money permanent. Can I 28th? 28th no. And ka ABCA. 28th no ABCA no. Any Accra. Be in the Evans Ashanti region. Oh. Right, yeah. My idea basa. Senior West Anatema. And in crowd was a range in this time way. But for now, we don't have any permanent timetable to forget about it. Minister have said, say, they cannot commit themselves to the set timetable because minimum timer they will be reviewed. No? Even the 6 hours jurisdiction, and I say the 6 hour period, you know, they don't know the timer on be reviewed. No? So currently, we don't have any timetable according to minister. To forget about timetable, be a echo. They say you did on your mensem. Oh, how better phone? Then why ready? Oh, how better on? Why ready? Your phone and on, all in the name of installation. So forget about any timetable until say officially they will come and tell us say now this is the timetable. Yadiatum. As it stands now, Bibiani was a Kwame Nkwantabisa.
Obeni mejoso.
Na to say
Obadi adaroma wa na famudie akade ni pabe ya bo ni pampacho na nzo e
na na do me ho ye pa
anopai mekasa wa hofa no je tuato hey abrante oh debi nyese me hadwe nyese me hadwe abrante nyese me hadwe obeni obeni nyese me hadwe we die calculated na calculation no so ki je tuato Veni hoe faro pay.
But that's minia.
Say we are fine.
Nyamiado.
Nobody anas.
Nyamiado me hoe pa.
Nobody anas.
There is one school. Oh, Brekum Methodist. On friend the Methodist Senior High School. The Methodist Senior High Technical School. Biadan Brekum. On friend mistake. But I mean, you might be close to Chrome. I mean, can't MC ni police commander say they have to be proactive. Few days ago, you say, Praga for the BM said, compare get back, said they and Tokwesi Yena, mobile school was on the Bugesi. See, boys know what precisely themselves, man, what you own bishop, boost security in real school. Gavin, I don't know if you can get the picture of the school. Mistake. So I don't see a friend of Kevin. My here. That you see on school model. I mean, I saw school more than a boy's yet draw. On bad room up boom. Praga for no. Was there someone do chromo no?
Wow.
Oh, my baba boom. We are say. Oh, my friends, are you for school police for say? The idea. So one comuma police for Mraho. Oma masa adam. Oma nko.
Wow.
Na dia so wan nko. Enti dia ya ne se. Omutina hono ma. Oma nko. Ana the following day omu se ye de ayi kofo a community police dey attack from Zoom police.
Yes.
Mienu wame aba hodum. Ana mienu ya beni na school hono ma Kawo ya ma me why me no abene nam school mo no nko me no abene nam school mo na Kwame imagine say Nigeriafo gba de ya omu ebi onim de omu fa kra mu tu ade a misbehave omu misbehave no ma do school mo no na Zoom police for me. You see,
Zoom for police for me, the omu koye de ho.
Na police for no time you need there na Zoom police. Ani ase anye jai. O men na mo wi ana no nko wi no say se sa mo akofa.
Police for aba betna.
E de mu so bi say teacher for no any teacher ni we sa. Teacher ni we sa. Teacher say wo nyina adwane.
School no ye pragia for the day.
Say pragia for ni guess you want say omu relationship e omu.
Yes.
Ti ba ko pe bi na so di na temo.
Yes we.
So atwine dio.
Yes we.
Say then the pragia for the dey like say la mo dia be ye wa ha no. Se sa dia ne ye ntiase. Ya so ba be chem bibi pa. Jomba say sa particular girls number. Ba say school for say the men go be kire say ya ma wuram ni ade no say okay. Free backup. Really say kwa school bo. Why be share bi ade bo. Pragia for the students. Omo aba bu security dia ya bu security. Epono ne dem. Eti mesra MC ho Kwame. Omo for maso nto fom na omo nya ne nta because dia kwaso ho no airtime. Omo for maso nto fom with immediate effect. We music for moduma I am said so was for now what this security even temporarily I was a create security post crowd where I was a create na enyama anyensem cause we kikiri ni akobo obi bana Kwame e form for ya o maka na asem ti aduma pa ya se kwada ni bisim komu kofi na kofi se pragia na be fa woni bi obefa
ane
ti asro this MC our mistake Methodist Senior Technical School I will break Mesra finance from headmaster also you proactive kwasam na so e wo wani na se ho kon ase ho kon o yes anoma bonkra ni bia kun mo ti esra mo monko ho ansa na ye too late this year ho menim so ono de adwumawura we de ya quick ne ko ho da wan hwe ya ade nde akọ na ne etahani enyan honorable ya fast ne ko ho dum cause ya brane ne ya kokun akwada we atoa ya kokun akra we atoha ya kokun atoa no ya too much ti mesra wa we ya asha ase a mama information no monya fast na monko honum because yempese ya beti we bia wo we akwa bi so ne kan we yesram wa monya ne ntam na monko honorable ye fast a kira mempese meba beti se yesi ya na fadi o dem fadi si ni nto so ansa adope mama information on call because asem ne ba post for ya we me da se Kwame
Beni
next enyo me go the voice in there
ani Debbie na enyame ngwanwa se na no kra me ni umi no akwan wi aso a se ba ko se de no no mi yo na kwan no pa zi ate traffic chick akre bia na wada se kum ekwan video wada hati udumise ebobono ohudi onya no actually onum tani ma we di before amanfo adehie
na time ye ya dey buy wo so yesi no o se ko video akwai ya tell na braga for ni bi alert no
they do what you
sorry I do two oni ba bi o faranse
Awurade
ko ya bo an go fie de wo ko do kwa go ru ba bi
Hey,
abono
we mu nyina na mkwan so na kwa me de me ya ne se police phone so gina kwan so nti ya omu hia omu hu
da bi omu ya mamra no otwe
omu ya mamra no motwam nti omu hu de ha ekoso
omani hwe obra omani hwe
ti so omani so sa no de na mo sa omu hu no mo drive buke for no ti say ayi Chuck Nollins o twa ayi no omu hu Everybody Yesu Kristo. As omo ko chikrofo.
Only fan one by the daily says in yani chai o de o ye no.
Hey.
As you trap. Sometimes say as you trap what home say na sales ababi.
Di
akuya wo hoyi. Only when you je obi a o.
Hello.
Yeah, hurry up. Amero.
Everybody Yesu Kristo.
Ya na say adam camera be you do a be gari.
Enye easy. Ba pragia for you ba mo boa nenso.
Oh yes.
Nenso.
Omo boa.
Nenso. Mosa job nso asa create dia mamo but kwan bi fa so twi moto no na sei omu yisu kwan no na se for 8 time. So mo association bi wokuma se hanuma mpanyifo no ya wo mo mfo mo so si entisi form kakra na mo hu se yankofo yi we mu di nko asema na yi o mo afrim na fi ya report to mo police force o person o kire memasem ni na se for na mo de mo police for asa because emra wo kruma
association for to control mu chain bi ya
oh yes say association for no powers we ya be you free system no mo we di nko asema ye de wa ma police for ontumi nya hwe simple and tiatia de koso no de ano odene pa because omo so na ese nkwada yi o omo se nkwada yi o omo se nkwada yi o DHS for the SS for form 1 form 2 for no
o ye lose kitwa bia o menyem ni sisi
JSS for JSS 2 3 form 1 form 2 form 3 for ni bi kan ho Kwame omo se omo womo say obo pa omudi agran kasa na metiase
Kwame ne say police udru police service on say omkra bata bako anti trafficking for obakwa akwachi nipa be 42
yeah
Kwame ne say no omdi omo ba adwom do be base adwum
13 to 17
oh
ane
and they are just
13 to 17 manso haya ba bi omo to go do na
and I chance on the video
yeah
odi 2 mu na me hwe bi
yeah
na me rafo ye
enyo
se die na akoyi
enye kra nkanka ni sa Nigeria fo yi enyo
na mo te die South Africa for the guy
said you omo ye
disagree with what they are doing
the omo ye nyina twa be si Nigeria
fo leader ba ko kan say Nigeria for na akopa asem na be sani Ghana for
na I see
o say Nigeria for
and akopa
60% of Nigerians are involved in criminal activities
sure
Nigeria for na akopa
ababeka other African countries
disagree with them said that's so they're going to handle
some of these issues
sure but a video na Kwame de channel mo papa ne kansem bom
pa nsem bom watching from 13 to 17 your own backdoor the neighboring country na Kwame minim de wosa ba sibra ajumadi yimo
so mu yeses said ye
na minim ahoden a chese omonko sa afa no nko o sa omonko ahoden ne honhom bia ekuta omomutumi de yesa niema no
enti uko when you know why you used to
but anode
because the last time me never could dig komo no chemu a eniema wo ba o madam na wo pra wo man nipa no do ba pressure da so
na yesi e konfo mo ba san so Kwame wo mo wa mamre bi ye o te se de bia wo kosua adwuma wo ye no ansa na wo ko ba bia be sales wo no wo di wo nipa dua na iko akoye sa adwuma no wo ba no asa ba be sales
say o ba sometimes no be bia mo da no
omune provide ti dem be din so omune provide and so any seminar ni nko one provide
sales no ba no be ya madam
ti am say yes wo musa wo yes bi ni sika bi se wo ye na ote a nsa na wade wo ho nti wo de wo ho a na wo so akwa high with that if wo so akwa manfo so aba na wo so be ya adwuma de ama oh our African yi 13 years 13 to 17
adwuma be suan no
13 to 17
na tambe wa pon ho
I say
opo se ne na machine
bi say 30 say o sha say 13 no enrube 16 17 no upon no atenika no so akọ high ni dan na wa employ
don't such as say recruit ngofo
ani
Kwame enti kakra.
Look at, I would like to call on the Nigerian government to look at addressing this issue of its citizens being trafficked into Ghana. It's becoming a worrying trend where every year hundreds of Nigerian citizens are trafficked into Ghana, and a lot of them are forced into prostitution. Some are also forced into cyber crime, specifically the Q nets. Last year alone, Challenging Height alone, in collaboration with the Ghana Police Service, rescued over 80 of Nigerian citizens who were trafficked into Ghana to be forced into prostitution and also into cyber crime. And we had to repatriate them back to Nigeria. I am aware that Ghana Police Service, without Challenging Height, has rescued a lot of them. So apart from what we did with Ghana Police Service, the Ghana Police Service itself had rescued a lot of them and returned them to Nigeria. So we are calling on the authorities, especially the government of Nigeria and the High Commission of Nigeria in Ghana, to rise up to the occasion and address the issue of human trafficking, especially its citizens who are brought into Ghana under the pretext of gaining employment, and when they get to Ghana, they are forced into prostitution, they are forced into cyber crime. And the girls, if I tell you what we are seeing with this rescue and even with previous rescue, some of the girls, the health conditions that they are in, just imagine a teenage girl who is forced into sleeping with 20 men a day. Do you know the health implications of that girl? And in this rescue, one of the girls who is pregnant, who we estimate to be, and she says she's 14 years old, she is pregnant and yet being forced to sleep with more than 10 men a day. I would like to call on the Nigerian government to look at addressing this issue of its citizens being trafficked into Ghana. It's becoming a worrying trend.
Kwame, 4 men a day.
Yes, 10. 10. Why onyema koda 10. Oni member do a da.
Jesus.
Dako atenka benko a ahoden benko anso we ye James Kofi Annan of Challenging Height ane Kwame anoden anoden
was the first one which 82 as 80
ane and as so much 42 ti dia koso no
for phone him so mu be adwuma Ghana
ai suwagedim Suwagedim, the datia, the wa, the so.
There's only size about the house.
Ade Balazu.
Hey,
Balazu.
South Webby, dear, I me. Let's up about the Chiapas. Hey, and what are you doing?
Oh, boy, no.
Go for plasma or them. Hey. Now can't be new. This is a bit yes, can no money. So, what type of that thing?
Unit is now was that. Balazu. Now, I was about 50 CDs. What do you do?
Hey!
The anti say
13 years.
13 years, the anti say
15, 16, 17.
A day.
Hey!
Sika Benko. Barbara, what do you want to me over there? I'm with you over there, papa.
10 a day. Hey! I didn't was name who. Now, tell me, I say, why shall no man of friendly Ghanaian, the man Quadano? No more introduce you. I never worried.
Now, this is Ghana for the Donadium Hojimu.
I want your one.
I'm the Donadium Hoji.
Hey, competition because Obi Crack 100.
Kwame said, ye didn't come. Ye didn't come.
Hey,
I said, I don't mean big man catch me, so no. Come my heart, now, dear Chia. Or quite one you cry, 300. It means as for Bana, you know, the order may be our veggie.
That voice need be our demo.
Annie.
Nasa,
oh, make you got them. Oh, make you got them. Bakubia may sit minimo a cry, I say, I know, on the mouth iPhone. And also, I know some pan muja muashiagu.
And then you may be a sure so yeah, and then because hey, oh dear, my main cancer go for me minimum stamina. Market, I don't want to say that too proud to be. Massa, I know my boss will make him. Hey, now what down 14. Obia many chiane pa massa unti menyi ni paten nya no kure enya no ai sabrai pa ni paten ne so sa ni pa dem na koya wase wi radi da Yakobon.
Hey, God of Nebuchadnezzar.
I mean, but it's serious. So why you there's a day there? Why you crowd 5 to 8 they also here?
Yeah.
It is can work was Jessica Bell. You was see a human profession, but I don't know. Hey, me won't dream no. Because obo baby are naturally crowd. Oko 1 round, 2 round, the whole day the club complete ya wa bere. Timi kwasa thing. Different sizes. Sa katimo katembi, sa thing. Ya kom. Ano pe remember me na me yempo ahye.
Mate.
Hey!
Openi. Openi me mama na se adopei. Na menchia ya tifo. Omo ma join ye Facebook nso hwe nso ye nchia omo. Omo nso ma join wo ye YouTube nso ye nchia omo anopei na ye no mase. Se omo ne yet na anopei. I'm for special good morning. For my Dennis organizer. Day and night, opposite Space FM, Moonlight FM. Also, Tiano Pay Pami, special good morning. Kwame, Dennis organizer.
That's a quote, my way, and Yawa, or dear, would one Dennis organizing. Oh dear, Mamma Farmer, Mam Kodam, yet to Mama Gana and Yank, my baby. I could from the Brem. None side the Dennis. Oh yeah, to us.
I was see maybe I will be a metia on my special good morning. Holland Kwame. Sa dum so ya ye kanini na ne ehon komo apija fiti nano se ya resolve say and resolve ye na NPP aba na NDC aba sa na ekoba nyina no Kwame no kwasem no say ye economy no na ye de edi agro because if say ye person improve your local production na ye reduce imports ejina sa energy sector yi also because we cannot do away with sa energy sector yi ni enka say ye person ye improve and say ye increase production whilst your energy sector is at stake, whilst our energy sector is not giving us any positive impact. Bia say watchina ebi jina ne nan so na de ye pese ye de ye economy ne yen ba bia pese ye de fa ne niema hodo ye pese ye implement no atumi adi juma wo ye memo ha because enche IMF4 e ba be film IMF4 baby omode Ghana ba be dru kakra kuche womo ba exit. So if they are exiting now, let's ask ourselves and yama bain ni de gu akwan mu a ebetumi aboa yen na ye economy no agina ne nan so and say de ye de be gu akwan mu bi economy no betumi agina ne nan so no, we cannot talk about it all without the mention of energy, into me. And your energy in soon a bit me aboa na nioma nyina jina ne nan so. The agri-business we want to do, the 24-hour economy we want to do, we need energy. Because the energy ni wa enye ye emfa. Right, sa agri-business here, President John Dramani Mahama aka ho asemi. We will start with input, ye make seedlings, fertilizer, beba, ye feed animals, farm equipment, pesticides, and asefo tani nyina beba. And sana ye wi nso ye kwa kopie production, sa crops ye livestock, fish, ne poultry, ne asefo. And sana ye wi nso ya ba be wura processing and distribution, turning raw materials into sellable goods. Nothing so yenya atofo no ma ba beto. Ye turning cocoa beans into chocolate, ye turning tomatoes into canned paste, ye turning milk into yogurt. Nena for all of these things, we are going to need electricity. We are going to need our energy sector say a bit jina ne nan so. Our energy sector say a bit to me power production ahodo na ye pese ye energy sector say a bit to me power ye 24-hour economy no. So it means say we mo e produce day anopa ye produce awia ye produce nwumre ye produce anadwo saa no ye be hia energy say e be gina ne nan so. And it is the reason some of us, if it you bra in Kania, you want some chassis and rouse with me Casano. It is the reason I make us yen chassis and young for politics and this in MPP in seminar and tone chain. Because ye kasi ye NPP ni NDC in summer, the question we will begin to be asking. They say a chassis free NPP in pencil, dear na mo ye. Nunti aban we buy one metro so aban no so buy yes betena so sa dum so no so sa pega ne ho sa kikiri o ka say o solve dum so we had ba me admitting ewo akosi say so ka so wa solve dum so kra na o hia credit bia because ono ne create ye. It means there was an admission say ya solve dum so suddenly under NPP so we experience same and such sana air koso sa MPP free so sa na NDC aba afei chese esai ye kese. So the only story, the only statement, the only news it is given to Ghanaians, and they say politicians no the omo kan nyina e tro omo boa energy sector no be bie ni ho a wo mo ye de fa ho wo ho because enko mo ye bibi de fa ho wo ho a enka na entidi etie enka wo mfiri abemu be less than 2 years no be meteki over no say face the same crisis na wo se wa solve no enka wo mfiri abemu be 8 years ago na the obeba be fa mantle no eba be face the same crisis na wo se wa solve no so wa solve ya. How did you solve it? Ede ne de na solve yenti a na dum so no eni ho a enne aba. Na de oba ye no so de na obeye ya nti oru ne create dum so man ba ye. Say ya kasi ye politics we will tackle these politicians and ask them these questions, the hard questions. And we will summon them before some of us. Then we will be asking them the provocative questions. How they did solve this doomso. Yeah, no, one person will be politics. No, doomso no yen to me find your politics now. One day, no, yen penny yen to Musa. Now, so because we the better politics then the only thing they are telling Ghana for me for say woman you home. The only thing they are telling Timemufo say, "Chese woman ye serious, no woman fire serious, no one who say MPP ni this in some so ye dentino, ye have no sabi. We are blinded by politics, we are unable to ask questions, we are unable to demand what is due us as Timemufo." And so they are taking us for granted each and every day, each and every time, each and every hour. And after every election, they appear and give excuses. They appear and begin the blame game, just like they are doing now. Yes, Romo. Yes, Romo. Your economy, no. Here say jina ne nan so. Your economy, no. Here say a yield nothing a impacted Timemufo. Said ye good have to for say my depending on a buying we should be creating our own jobs. No, if the system is not favorable, now creating our own job. Now be demanding electricity and fat. Uko be costo and fat. O person we ye a juma will be here light. Now they did juma and fat. Nti nkania nani ye here. Senkania no eti shrin na da bia igina ne nan so a anajo Kwame wo benyu obi amana tena ba bia ton fruit because onim say binum betu kwan anajo nti omuduru station wa kombe di omo nso no ntumi ni aduane ani emu odura obeto fruit ya benya binum so obeto nsuo because nkania si so nti onim say nipa boni ni bia ntumi meye ne hwe nkania si so enunti the person ye bia obetumi aye. This is the time was wo me hunu say ampa they are really dealing with nkani asem no na fin so omape solutions ne answers e dey amaye because our 24-hour economy opening services ahodo de beba security, healthcare, transport, retail, banking and finance ni nyina eba be ye adwuma 24 hour. Nti se ebe 24 hour ye here light. Your industries, near factories ye omo be running shift. Said the omo be kan say 133. Na so omo running shift 133 a kan ya wo here wo de bedi dwuma. Agro processing near cold stores, ahodo ya mills, ni food factories. You may operate overnight, no, and Kania wahi, no media dijuma. And Kania no wahi, no media dijuma. It is time I was say, ye jai politics, no, ye nyai MPP sem, ye nyai NDC sem, ye nyai blame game. Let's ask some questions. Let's push a buy to solve sa energy sector you once and for all. Nti ye de your mind ban kwa na ye de how ba ko pe e betumi take in 2 decades ni entumi solve ye. We are nearing 2 decades or how ba ko pe ye dum so ye entumi solve ye, and it is not shameful to the MPP, to the NDC. Enya nim gwasem for ma party mienu yo nembom they are riding on it to gain political advantage. They are riding on it to do politics out of it. Timon Ferry. Some would be a man on the cancer doom so in one common Timon Ferry. And you ferry, and you will new. And Timon who's a one ye. Moon nimshe na moon who train so ye. Moyatem say, moon nimshe, but ye who's a moon nimshe. Nye Ghana for na mo tire and say sabi ya adwini nya adwuma free say mun nim de mo ye na ye nso ye ntumi hu say mun nim de mo ye na ye mom gala way anampo ye misa hard questions from mo end as to why you are unable to solve Dumso for almost 2 decades. NPP aba, NDC aba, MPP aba, NDC aba. Now we are backward the same Dumso. Modaso di ho nkombo modaso eka ho asem ti mo mfere mo ni nwu asem ti mo hu se mo abon kra chen bibia ti mo hu se asa adwuma no na mo nim na ni so mo nse da ni structures ni system a ebedi dwuma. Oh, it is a wake up call so the Maya Ghana for say yes ye penkania amana gina ne nan so a yanjai say and NDC na waso MPP na waso anketi sei and MPP NDC na waso anketi sei and NDC for be ye sei and MPP for be ye sei atoji yen Ghana for so say yanyai san community the otesu bia let's demand from the person say obe resolving once and for all na yanyai womo di ye politics ni yen hunu ni entiase ye say kasa di kwa no omoye because almost 2 decades 2007 till 2017 more 2 decades 20 good years ye experience Dumso nti yentumi ntrase yempenifo ntumi ntrase enwene hunu say yes a sector no kwa no how we na wo ho how we na wo ho say fine your fuel fine sika de be kwakoto fuel fine transformers fine megawatts what say ade enti wo ntumi hunu ye empty ase na afen so technocrat no mo hye hon so no nti ya day to day no wo hunu say your population nso grow enti kwaya was wo mo de sector no nso de faso ni na drive na niema gina ne nan so ni ana. It's just embarrassing. A new sem so benya NPP ni obia wo osi wakosko akwa akire obenya NDC ni obia osi wakosko akwa akire no aba be defend na by me one so ya man 8 years oba ye no Dumso no energy sector no wo man to me defend it. What is the essence of the certificate you've acquired and what are you really defending if your party couldn't resolve something for 8 years and the whole 20 years NPP NDC mo be ruye man to me resolve it. You are telling me saying Ade Ghana for mommy and sorry young for party 7 on tonchain ane abra no so e be kwa akoto aba but the akoto so a misa questions bi mommy mo hunu say yeah Christopher okra no asori no ukona se osofo nya de a utumi ka asem kire no wo na wo se wo gi nyankopon di na nyankopon se enkasa ntia ne nipa na ko a ya ogina wanim no se sofo no sabi odin sem hunu kra you find a way to tell sofo se sofo de wo ye ne mempe na politician utumi nka no kra kire no adan a wo se ya wo watum Ade ya wosi wabusuafo NDC fo wabusuafo MPP fo enti no kwasem no ntumi nka nkyere omo enti asembisa no ntumi mbisa omo ti de woso omo ye no ntumi nka nkyere omo no omo nye MPP ni NDC akata wani ene nipa be na oye ene adwene se bi adwene ne da wutirimu na da musan na te se wan kasa kra wo mpa bibi papa bia mfa ma wo ho eno nti na wama MPP ni NDC akata wani ompe bibi papa bia ma wo ho because me Kwame Ejako imiti wo MPP ni ndisi wo mu ntumi ma meye de omo ye wo ni so no no omo de jeje wo no wo mu ntumi nya because onim so oba me bisa the questions mepa hunu de obetumi aye mema nati ase se owasudie enu ti me de me kokromoti mana I would demand saade no e de afiri no ho but wo bia wonye santi no oma fa ye nyina afo because at the end of the day the MPP sem ni NDSM be di anim ne de akwakoto aba nti omo ba omo fi se MPP for na de ye baye omo ba omo fi se NDC for na de baye wo mu hunu se Ghana for ene omo de omo baye se nko omo hunu se Ghana for ene de omo baye a ko mebu yen no ma ye de be boa Ghana kwa me medase
na on this same issue aoka namti o my din and I was reflecting on and near maybe a coso oh man in fact my dream call Kuka Stephen Amwa
Stephen Amwa a sticker yeah
the interview be or grantee or ne or Tianan Kadro of a jebu saying yeah na yenti kakra na men kan si ase
massa ofo me catch you said by observation whether NDC MPP me ma dwene mu nti say marking scheme I'm not sure so benya 10% of MPP NDC for omo ye politics gidigidi e ka oni nyankopon a owoti na bi obinya na nka wiasesa obinya na nka bantu makwan nyina ye obinya na nhia so kwan nyina obinya na obi edi na obi anya adwuma ye ene wasua bibi na nani abre no peso be push ye nya no kre bebre onim so oba politics no ni namu na pa onya institution papa bi no head ya obinya contract ye be change sika obeye obeto car to dan otobi wo hwan cha do star hwan no nyama ni bi wo no nam duba na obi ayo no ano nya no botan so obesesa man no MPP and DC the number of street children in Ghana in timamu for mo nhwe ne ma bio wo de me bisa two parties any research institution here Ghana's problems about 30 maybe MPP ni MPP yes NDC but two ni nyina no how the MPP yes NDC because of social issues here ma Ghana for we try say but two ni nyina no almost 30 something years are we solving our problems today me say now a new number of street children in Ghana any research institution for about 35 years or 40 years down the line your problems here fango your problems here unemployment your problems here CD your problems here corruption you need institution be a research into sanyama you develop your value chains and the manifesto by the end of the day my collective data my develop information or make 10 years time or 2 years time young care brobium because where come I or assassin a dear bro so Ghana 7,000 square kilometer or whatever the woman owning ye mama sorry research for acquire research content and see it 10,000 acres you between your beer X amount of maize Ghana so every year you do X amount and say to me as we are the deal you benya nyina it may prevent say am fa bi mama ye we hu aduma the aduma say di kwa mana no a my research who say countries we no mo pay say no me oh you say here product do do e we eburo mu ni akwa be fa so ye ye sa factories in China e be fa nipa 10 million fi so mo atifie ye say e be ye nya hwe me catch MPP mi so bi ani enti person programs ye de bana esa okopo oba open am do be call Russia so ni be bia Russia krejebe and
I think I will do one-on-one with this man. That's where you nipa or no a member of parliament, sitting member of parliament. Obia wire deputy minister paying. I know cancer as him watch show send ya manual for MPP and DC omufai. 30 something years since 1992 they say yeah said twaba. INDC MPP by Omaya Yewomwa Omaya, you can take that one out and bring Doomson. I'm talking on me can't Doomson who wants him. Omaya Yewomwa. Yenya two political parties. Ebe debate on Doomso. Then you have because doom so enya na shase time my excellency John Ajekum Kufuor ho we saw what happened edru ba bia o se fa so for ko bom paye kra ho se ba bibiri every ho the next person by we saw what happened Mills time ye hu de see ye then John Dramani Mahama part 1 nanado eba ye hu de see ye e got a point in time a emre bi dru ya na debate o ho ne say yen ye be solve doom so MPP claim so the best of doom so and this was say if you refer to Nkomo a Dr. Baumia di ya clearly it shows say NDC na ye solve doom so and na die wo mu doom so na solve ana e kwa me ka say na me tell so we are in omanya sa oman ni mu no the two political parties they adwin edi agro because doom so na nkasa na ekwa na MPP wanted to take credit for doom so say o ma solve doom so and this is so wanted to take credit say o ma solve doom so ade a ya solve no ena eni ewu edu ba bi yan hu de onye abodin say on the solve doom so na MPP so o ma solve ye and this is so o ma solve ye no ade a ya solve no ena ewu se MPP for some solve idea ene eye den anenei mo chastise the government se doom so na asaba ade aya solve no efiri na bai se MPP NDC for so mojitum se Mahama be kono okofa we be ka ho grid we be ka ho other way say other ma doom so ene ye ne yo doom so debater we so na ye we so de ye no ene ye ne doom so no amosima solve na ene ye ne but ene ye refi ho asa she blame game no ase ama we ka se doom so na asa aba we se amaye we se say a tese agro bi na we ye ni so na so man ye di enti de stekaka ya ne no kwasem pa se both MPP and NDC obia no obesom ya before God and man said nipa ne nyame gina ho obeka no kra se oba besom se wanya bibi sonko bi ode besese o man no yen selfish interest and clearly that is what we are seeing adia ye hu ye peseminkuminya enti obia ba politics ma oba se be ya obenya office bi ahye and the nipa okas asem no sitting member of parliament why deputy minister da he knows what he's saying obi aba or say institution bi ade kwa head as CEO as MD as a minister na watoto fie na wanya mai bi ni omko Dubai ana na stake kam anwa na yo bi adwen ba se wo bi long term plan bi aye enti me e kina me se me asbia bi me kanse bi enwuma bebra je ba ne bia we ni aye we the say excellency John Dramani Mahama odin say so and then kokon kitinkiti and adwumawura and a big push and I am afraid me yam hyehye me ma no me yam hyehye me ma taxpayer ye sika ye use no because the excellency John Dramani Mahama ni yes aka say enya de so betima wie ni nyina wanwia ye wo kroma na affordable housing we saw what happened sakra me ye hu de esi wo project abandon agenda 111 enti da bia no taxpayers money no ye de cost ye nsa koso so bibi mu agya no oni ashiska na say abanfo fro ba no so be se we agenda 111 next person be agenda 234 no so de nsa be so na say we be ya ambulance no so de nsa so na we so be Prague ambulance na no so de nsa be so na say. This is not the first time we are seeing this. Onuya post and then some ambulances say be said go see a gua rusty say. That is how wicked we are. And they debate on doomsod your sovereign onyin anim. Your so sovereign doomsod onyin anim. Ade aya sovereign yen hu biemo. And that debate yet twa doomsom and then make mama no gba mo sanya sa debate na. What prevents you from go back, go and do that debate? Some na mo can MPP for so many doomsome and this is no one doomsome. Any money, any truth in your pampas. So that is the doomsome we are seeing. eti dum so na ye say we sim nam solve ye, and then who is taking the credit? Why na so solve dum so no nyi nanim? Jo so solve dum so no onyi nanim. Say MPP 40 me catch them so na solve dum so, and still gina oka say dum so aba. And ye dey no mo solve ye. Even this is saying some na solve dum so no, and a dum so na ba, and ye why na solve ye. Let's continue with the debate. That's the smart about there. Let me allow my guests no and tenasi wa bra no pay OCP Ghana Limited. Adaroma ye tenasi edi nkomo. OCP Ghana Limited fertilizer the obianum say number 1 MPK fertilizer 15. Season edru no wokwa akoto fertilizer me so fertilizer wo to no. Enye fertilizer eye OCP fertilizer. Enti wudi ato so de nya do ntos moko ne de keka ho a de wuhia eye OCP fertilizer 15 ne for ya don ye di dua atosode no vegetables any cereal aburo ne de ka Mr. Dan kwase o ye fu akama pa onya fertilizer every day border no ano na ekro no ana mo amu dua legumes no so mu hia OCPTSP anope shop papa biamu ko ne ko gibi season aduru ho ye wade pa na sika amfo aseze no said the vegetables no why din jene ni toast no oto a market ho pa anti ne dua ne bebre na abeja market Kingdom Herbal Center cover by Kingdom Garlic capsules and in bitters Kingdom Ginseng power capsules so na tremendous capsules tremendous ne mama no ahimfie ho bibia bekoye ye ndibeti bibia afi kama no cent bia bia na muna kwa tremendous e man fans no so na ginseng power capsules ne memma ne dia waste na your sexual weakness ne ade anope pebi so na Kingdom Garlic capsules Shannon say Kingdom Herbal Center na first or the garlic bitters ba bonti amanfo hu bia ze obi azu ye bi to original the original right from source Kingdom Garlic capsules and in the bitters a boost energy no a boost immune system no anxiety arthritis honam na ATT hypertension stroke akumane bob pelperi afa cholesterol sade didi umu a odi ekope Kingdom Garlic capsules ni bi na bon say yes nyame garlic ni adwuma 0597 298 855 0597 298 855 and now say 0559 761 144 0559 761 144 and I'll pay Royal King Crackers Royal King Crackers ni de no ane Royal say akwadani kosku maybe nshane bag mu na nim time and canteen be ready na komade na o hye bie bag ni makekra wa bia bonsuaguso ne ho den o ten asante achemfo ka koba den fam gigri no mu ko microphone me chiam so na Royal King Cracker obi da hospital many bi obi at the hospital fabi ko bon anadwo no bia ni nchen kro no atimi so bi and talk King Cracker bia na mom Royal King Cracker say Royal enwu a enya papa Royal King Cracker ana no pe make am for dia maw pe bi to fie anytime bia o snack ware adwumam office ohia bi 21st clinic expert sciatica clinic on its own ehwe yade bia then so expert in sciatica otisi atitwum besi una chi ase a 21st clinic kokobọ ne che say yade kese na eba no ana atwum warning say sciatica ahase enti bo homode ne so ano kransa 21st clinic laboratory service or onya scan ho to ba anya so betena ase ani ehwe ye diagnose regular lab ansa Kumase obuase akra sunyane nkransa techiman ye wo ho nyina Kumase ye wo hwan overseas junction ye ne afa radio ne bo ben so Sompa TV Sompa FM wosoro and 0249311311 0249311311 call center no be bia from becho no akọ 0540311311 21st clinic the sciatica expert ankasa ene ho Anope bubobi Roman Father Nedro no Father Martin's Herbal Center omna akwa Father Martin's Herbal Mr. Yaba edro yi namness free ho yo titichi stroke na chew honam tutu wire mre pressure diabetes jade aye kwanko edroi eye nyame nsa no pa eye divine odi onum bi na hwe ade abun se nyame tumi wodrum se haban ne ye adwuma 0247919122 0247919122 and 0552668517 0552668517 Roman father nedro no pebi na bobo anapa mi zadan kwa mache
yania Nkwantabisa
na umpom etisei
Rade Nyankopon de acheme enye kra obi ani breme jiri so nso ho ye
bia o de temfu front ya na ko fare ya
se unamu a sinsin ni nyina ni ade
Yara Frank Frederick Dankwa brofu mienu ansa na FFD Ejram di amade New Patriotic Party MPP Ashanti Regional Communication Team member Araba ye to asoda yendi enkomo no also betimi the message na fa 0509438500 0509438500 ebeja ken come on so na call Facebook na comment section ho ujagu on my ba ebehwem kama and so the amount Ghana must strengthen local production ahead of IMF say yeah IMF no ebe yet AGI Association of Ghana Industries ya basa yen strengthen ho as of mine na yentimi nyina wasa ho yehia mremu. Don't wait for government employment, create your own jobs. Good and so na dey aba Ghana Union of Traders Association say hodma wan kasa ye wadwin so peduma o ye entrepreneur entwen aban adwuma I don't so dom dey aba Minister for Energy so abeka che say omugusu a ekon no timetable there nya say omu sheda di biaba because na ebi ba be kan we chino because engineers or site omu ye na assurance ne say kania ne de nya de e beba dum so de opompo kania no ye de ofie bi akọ sadankwa alapẹ yan sha se enfree gutafo ne ho na afa ye wi a ya ba bewrem or energy ko energy de hu nya ba
oh okay na nka bi am visa no kran de be sha se
ya mowe na afa ye nya time
Nkwanta
yes sir
anopẹ ma memfa afidi kese so sompa ade economy and say chiripo baako 93.1 FM and ni TV so na menchia eye atifo ne ahwefo nyina ne titiri ye the good people of Oftafo constituency na nanoma trankonya nyina nhyiranka wo no party mpanimfo no mechia obi bia a free polling station so electoral area council of elders patrons ene me ankasa me boss we were for society too na Nkwanta wada Roma anopai so me basia ma menchia Dr. Matthew Opoku-Prempeh Asanteman Napo the workaholic and the doer did this energy huns and semi crowd the between alcohol pa na menchia chama amnochia wona mununkumu ba chama ode no ho kwaku apia Asanteman Kuka oni na busua ni nyina mechia on papa na mejidi ye pa so say Justin Frimpong Kudua Ukumkom the GFK, the General Secretary of the New Patriotic Party. Honestly, me pass the second round no so nyame adoma be baso amana kama my jumane to me ya kon akoyenim. Na me be me nua ba akoti TV no, your friend Farouk or your motor fitter or him new site. O se me mo abetri na menchia na ne de e kwan bia so hwa kofi se be pon. Enti Farouk your motor fitter or him new site. Me nua no pay so me chia. Na si yamfa gutade ne nhyase
yamfa IMF ni so rem ni ewia
okay
melande
na Nkwanta anye bia no oman mu eyade a eye oman mu nyina de hia de pa because says ya no hwa Ghana Statistical Service wo report na omo kire se Ghana emabunu no aye bebrebe ama sesi ameno kase o hanchichemu enum echiripon wotwe 5.8% of Ghanaian youth eni adwumaye nti na chese ya konsemo a also mamu ni nyina na yehwe because we are sitting on a time bomb in a situation whereby your youth na omo ye exuberant omo wa hoden they have the strength to work but they're not getting any jobs to do no basa ya na ahadwene nti me ni guta eya adwene kwan bi so se enye chinchina atwan se wo se aban na mo wadwuma ansa na wanya adwuma ye nti no mrante ne maba no so mo so akosua trade biti se omo course vocational schools yi omo call technical schools no mo ne ade ni nyina no omo nyina betumi bia adwuma ma na ye
enabling environment to do that.
That is where I'm coming to. Nti sankrofo we mu nyina se fata se omo yanso tumi nya omo nsa no adwuma, but the point is that anye bia no, what is the enabling environment for them to operate within that circles? Seed capital ben and our benya tim dia share adwuma bi ase. It all boils down to the government. So government, you know, be created that enabling environment. If the government cannot provide jobs for all and sundry, then I believe the government should also do its part by providing at least seed capitals near there. Sometimes you say we've been hearing this. The reason I'm bringing in the government is that this a government may say some of the Kobwam Rantene my baby. So I'm fanko juma. The baby actually na aye in SMP. Enti no ya best say aban no be create sa in enable environment in the amasa Rantene mabano. Na at least omo vocational schools a omutumi de omo nsa ye bibi omo esua ade pam omo eye cake no mo ne ade nia no mo ne we no betumi ata omo chama ne ma na ye kama. But Nkwante, still we have to blame the government for the high youth unemployment rate in this country. Because look, we are talking about party or opposition. O kachira Ghana for mebunu ni nyina se wono de Ghana for man kwan no ba akonya so a obema obia nya adwuma ye. That was the term. Almost say obia benya adwuma ye. Na ade abaya wo kase obia benya adwuma ye. Yo ne Trump card or the call 2024. Kwantana 24-hour economy. Okay. The 24-hour economy no. Na e contain say adwuma baako nipa miensa ene bekoye won bekomu mprensa. In fact omokra sam man di mfufro kra mo friend 133 formula e kasha prempe eye t-shirt no wa twera bo akire ye kɔ 133 formula obia benya adwuma ye. We sat in this studio and it say even 78% of NDC supporters so munya adwuma ye. What it means is say ade no emu ayeden abandoned men provide adwuma mfa magana for Rantene mabano. Abanu anso ankasa no mutun no waka kire ense ontumi mfa maburu ni nyina adwuma na mpo so be fa nkrofo mu adwuma kra no a wo mo bet oni nsa be so mo so betumi ati onka no be fa wo adwuma. Even the Ghanaian youth now kra mo aye adwuma ebia ye adwuma 16 good months. Nkwantabisa abani ntumi ntua wo no muka ebia ye adwuma 15 good months 12 months anesi fo ne teacher fo ho komodie na meni wudi, including security service officers. Benjamin Mao adwuma. And so the question is, where is the 133 formula? Na buy no kase obetuma ma obi adwuma. Now, look, we are talking about buyer obabeto bibi afre no one district one factory. It was a nice project. Emma Rantene mabana adwuma. At least on record per the Hansard, parliamentary Hansard, HSA, one district one factory alone was able to provide Ghanaian youth some 170,000 Ghana Rantene mabunu be se empimo ha ene adioson ena na enya adwuma eye was our project nim wo 24-hour economy into me maswa. Why then do you have to cancel that project? So once you've cancelled it, what it means is that you are still denying the youth also be mo adwuma no. It's a very good project and buy and to and so at least the number of unemployment rate would have gone down to some extent. But in this case, abana ba betwa saade enim. Wo so so de na so de baba na eni ho. Rantene maba no so a wo mo ye adwuma dada. Abai bai what baba be yim Rantene mabunu no over 40,000 edi efra adwuma mu. Enti Nkwanta abaye den ana Rantene maba o mani mre. Abaye den na NDC Rantene titiru o mani mre ntinsi abonten so enwura district offices and local offices. So munya adwuma nye. Enti yɛn for blame no ma ban no because boshe na o share ye no oba no wantumi anye oba ye no so so de obi aye no asa ba begu no wankase wonum asem no so wantumi ani so enti bada na mrante na adwuma ye enti once guta aka kire emrante so mo ampe adwuma kwa ombefa so ombe ye adwuma no aba no so mpe npuma sibre because Nkwanta we are talking about aban o ka kire Ghana for so de adwuma bi ba friend adwuma ra na kire se mrante ne ba bi ba benya adwuma ya aban na be so wono masene o ka so de adwuma bi ba ne friend no women banking no so aban to me be bank no mpo a mrante ne ba bi benya adwuma ye ti said na nando dan kokufo ado ba yo create new district o see new district assemblies no and mrante ne ba ni bi nya adwuma ye ti said you buy yo see new court in almost 120 new courts including Tafo, Mamponten, Ntonso, Kwadaso, any baby bebre. E ba ye na mrante bi anya adwuma ye ho. Enti sa ba no be hwe no be city apa. Aba no kwa bi obefa so be pesika. Akwa ye sa bi e friend apprenticeship program na o kan ye no. On pesika mfa nkoye. Because if the government is able to train the youth, not necessarily providing them, train them with a requisite skills. Eba bua ema oman no adwuma yesu hu sense no nyina no apa fom ene aba na mankrofo adwuma egu oh yes and I want to say the same guta any traders association complaining say aba no port sika woji won sesia no twamene bo wo man kasa wo mu expose person baako was want to make a campaign ma NDC mapa management ma megu because sika ye charge no pay ni container no enya asem ketwa me bo aka kire me adanu traders no monko demonstration omusu se aban no the taxes to akese and atoto omuso mo omunyuma egu enti no mutimi fam rantene maba na adwuma enti so mutimi fam rantene maba na adwuma who is supposed to train the youth? Is it not the government? So it is the responsibility of the government to make sure say apprenticeship program no can so be ye mam rantene maba asua adwuma no motime nyansa no adwuma no makobi o madwuma owi obomu dwetri no e wo so mo ye because ye ekufo do penso ye bi mira Kofi Japan one na ye youth employment agency ACU Kofi Japan at a point was able to train 40,000 Ghanaian youth. Yes, we are in a sample get rema on sika. Woman mu hia mfidie, woman mu hia sika kakra dia tatuo. Ni nyina akoso. Awo man mu. Enti the government should be able to do that. Yes, akofa bibi buyer na ye business mandate programmer na under youth employment so na ye business company various businesses no so aban no so masene. Enti se na aban no buy wo betwema na se wagya ye ka aban ni se on pagya ni mu e ma ni nyai firi samrante ne maba na ekohye twopo ni won ye dene na ware egu firi samrante ni nwadwuma nya no matuma ba koma okuye efie wuti na meka na se enti no aban ba ma no homne so a o ma no homne so Guta's call is a very good call, but the government should also provide the enabling environment to be able to execute that.
Justice Prempe, Anope Mache.
Minia, Mamin Joso.
Now Pumbo Cordier.
Me Pachane, now say.
Yamia Domia Hoya Pa.
Ohona Efe.
But that's a medasi 7 years. Yes, I'm
Famincha na menawasi. Na memo abaso. Na menkase akasa fidie ni doso. Nti se obije breso nti station bi ane mum sompa no betia ne nipa na yade ayade. Ti dedi kan yemo sompa ti fo abaso. Na memo wankasa nso abaso. Ya wa sentiment media. Yenti menkasa wa Brian Cha, na Workaholic Regional Chairman. Ti be Chairman Augustus na Akwesi Andrews. Na yaka chen sakra. Baby anopa ewo bia Nyankopon hia no nka ho na onta wachi wadwuma den wa ho brase a odi NDC ani mama NDC FFF fire akona wa Ashanti region no ebebo abaso na yaka cho se Nyankopon hia na onhye wodene na we de ketu ebe mefa atwuma nwa beja na machi me personal boss honorable wisdom osebo amadodo na afreno kumkom atwuma nwa beja South municipal chief executive adwumaden papa ne ye wa atwuma nwa beja no Ade Efe timinu a umama kwa abade amechi na madawase na mabo abaso
good say branch no omunhwe na omu ankasa mbiebie adwuma mu ntwa adwuma than say do any better buying adwuma so. And the youth are calling for say Ghana youth want to work, but sometimes there's no the environment is not enabling enough. Do you think say the current situation that we are in emabunu akwenya so mo be depending on omodwuma a mo akosua I been so mu entrepreneurship?
Yes, me no me do ase na mabo apaso na we dey medicine maba ko pebeti nsem bia me am senior brother Ade Atutudwa. Yes, o say adwumara program no enya adwuma wo huso we a story bia kita misisi we kwa the NRA 27 February 2026 and we a minister for youth development Yera Jojo Pariad ono na ka say o say NEIP begins grant disbursement under adwumara program. Inti see NEIP for no masha say how according to the information no nipa mako 3,000 how me Ghanaian citizens no NDC are buying air so masene said the be on bitman they are starting up on one kasa businesses. Mr. Danko alluded to the fact say 24-hour economy no obaye hunu so benu nyina be dia dance said there was no way NDC are buying the buy no bitimi higher 24-hour economy under economy or mudijai because we were in this country. Na se Ghana ni be here $10,000 akwa krania my fabuchaba Ghana. Na under the MPP by virtue say exchange rate here 14 cedis in T. No be here 1.4 billion. And ne sa exchange rate near 10 cedis. Sa businessman no up $10,000 na obinya 1.1 billion. And ade akwa krasa and it means that abayi bayi wabwa me saving almost 300 million. And no enebe buama businesses aide ashase intimating say as exchange rate and stabilizing it is also going to encourage businesses. The next issue is about interest rates. Ono ankasa be dia dance MPP aban wo no e be den a businessman akoje besian no dey run business no run 24 hours. Inflation was around 30% and the NDC by inflation is what about 14-15%. The Chinese says and obi kopebosia in si hu ewo ho no under the MPP na doso a chance the NDC aban here the ebai into a bed den and na interest rates about from businesses mum enye the enkoso into indeed 24-hour economy no and kakra ban here the air chance oye habai we in this budget take 100 million cedis I they share 24-hour economy policy nim said the beya businesses do na be de ebenya sikano mo de show munyumem. The next thing is about tax incentives. You want to be introduce you COVID levy, who be introduce you electronic levy. Nkwantabisa obi any one more businessman be any one more sorry no pa no person kran ya mefra bruche de be 24-hour economy. Obesi says can go butomi. Indeed or the port or be transact sikano electronically. Ti sa the e-levy eba be two businesses so indirectly na uku businesses and this are buying any John Mahama buy ye yisa de so I the FO hokase ne mabunu nya adwuma we were in this country henhwe han a moye ya mugugugu nkrofo nyuma ne ni kroma no na GM Bank me se me na me charge in the Upper West region Upper West region as of 2016 near only 3 branches for Ghana Commercial Bank inti government workers are called most of us we were receiving our salaries from GM Bank. Districts are not commercial bank in one okohono mana benya GM Bank ho mo bonne ne hye boniti sa banks ni nyina egu and uko all across Ghana ubo se sa banks na dan ni nyina ede esisi hono ma mu nipa no mo ye adwuma manfo mu sika hye ni nyina ni okruma so edu agongo mo banks ni nyina egugu okruma enti se ne obekasa aban a waba indeed or the interest rate ba from ho ye hye ye de adwuma beba no okasa sa aban ni mom na emoa na me free say emse politics now ye. Oh yeah, and the last one is about Women's Bank. President Mamani NDC akase we are constructing a 24-hour economy market across the country. Into country be an asset district be or Ghana be ano ebenya 124-hour economy market. In that 24-hour economy market, and I na propose say you be establish Women's Development Bank ni wom. Say the be ya maame mo multi bank ni mo mu ye bodwa no a ombenya direct access to the bank. Intimacy say no so aban ye the so I di huduma. Now AGI for that I completely agree with them because we say Ghana no I say yen share them protect your businessmen. Se foreigner be ba no ba be adwuma I say so I dem foreign and we do not protect our local businesses just like that. Just recently the SC Obogo Supristia hit go fails company or ye Ghana ni no ni betimi afa mabunu ni Ghana for dodo na ma ye adwuma no ni agya company de ama FGR foreign company now buy na and Osha Minerals Commission report on media but company no kwa de America over $85 million. So oko ECG ka mo digu over $25 million. Amount for mo yetimem for Ghana for mo ye adwuma hedema FGR company no mo ko omo ntu omo kani nyina omo jaigu. But by 2024 NMPP abai September onti mini omo nya adwuma bi eno terminate contract na ene ne hit go fields or ye Ghana ni ababeji company no and or manage still Ghana fubi kika say or ye Ghana ni oni financial expertise oni technical expertise message say hit good fields for no or more the technical expertise or more mebunu ne mantia or makusuku or makwadri. The last time I had the opportunity to meet their managing director or your penya why adwuma o Congo, why adwuma o Germany, why adwuma o Canada, I mining one man why the why or more compete and conform my form from Newmont or my free go fields how my communina boom as or more we local company no see a share and my company ni jina year a bebwa me a bebwa a bebwa in. Imagine near more Frankie Tinkitio, and yet is Anglo Good, any all these Newmont foreign companies or more Ghana. As we speak now, who call Boasia a living condition of Oboasi, who feel Kumasi air call Oboasia coin, and so now good pie, sister, heady free Oboasi at the quabu chain, and your good Ketwa. It made them free some AGI for Nekan a step in the right direction. He drew a bra, I was say, ye timemufono, ye dear no, ye nyansa, ye nim dear, ye protect ye local businesses because uniminia yes is train can and chese abontin suni made MFankodi se MPP ni NDC na ye kra ye nya adwea and chese ye mo obi ofra bontin foreigner he ma me fa ye good no fanko ne man so no fanko ye ni sa FGR fo ya ye come as yes taxes nyina o mantua o imagine say black man na ye adwuma o Ghana na Ghana ni a obetimi aka so be ye adwuma wi ontua tax yes sir. Good.
Your institutional mandate is to take tax.
Good.
ECG yours is so we are top
Obedaineka. Good. Yes, company no. We are doing in our call. Me or report we are from ECG. Almost some of the omoka to a tune of $25 million. Almost had the Ghana court UK's court of arbitration. Has a kwanya fast why a terminate omo contract and answer and fa kwanya papa so. But the only point I want to establish here is that a good timer I was say you protect local businesses. Yes, you krumpete odu na mo ebika. Nya kra say Ghana ni na adwuma ne ne dia obefa ne yonko Ghana ni so nya millions obe investing directly in the local economy enya nanu ya Ibrahim Amakas or Daman mine sibedi no hosi within 6 months oba be airport e wo Daman hosi within 2 years oba be akwan from Daman to Cape Coast ha e ba be create employment be nyini say owura na ya akwan we nyina obi sign local companies e o akoto cement akoto iron rods me nyini say labor odo mo be yes akwan no be ko different o man so no akwa form do ma ba be enti aduru bra e wo si ye jai say ye the politics say local businesses no aduru bra e wo say ye timamufo ni hunu say ye nsuso Ghana for ye betimi ayde aye who say yeru ankroma kan say mo o say the black man is capable of managing his own affairs aduru bra e wo say Ghana for yankasa ye take responsibilities no na ye make sure say local companies no they are thriving and they are thriving well. Yeah. Just recently, Hit Good Company for me, I saw my employ over 1,400 Ghanaians. Out of 1,400 Ghanaians, you do munina to Peru, so I had the year to Yomoka. He said a car by that FGR for ni jai to or no buy or mashasi or say the nyina tibi de me free say it is time we have to protect our local businesses ya more or mo ban ye Kwame despite mo ye Angel mo ye Sompa mo all these businessmen e do time e wo say ye di omo interest e ko aban mu na make sure say ya aban be ye deliberate measures and I say ye be deliberate policies to protect our local businesses minia today e hono kakra na me de me kan fa Miss Medas.
That is by me sign brown wow.
Yeah.
The current state of young energy.
Yes.
Power to be precise.
Yes.
The setback happened at Akosombo substation. People were calling for timetable. Drew baby cried. There was a timetable. Ni be na abontin. And Minister Bekache said because of the nature near Jumo Muye. Muye first one they have to review it. because so yeah na megawatts ni bi abeka nti ma unya the right way no.
Yes.
And people are there, engineers are on ground, so we are to restore we are within the week there say there will be major changes also ebeba. Our current state, our power system, and the assurance from the minister. The
minister, yes. My mention my personal boss Mahmoud Kabori, or the spokesperson to the Minister for Lands and Natural Resources. Na Branty no say the West Brand who say they are some NDC Ewa Ashanti region. Enya me say baby so na opinion Trinity say or the regional communications officer no be stepping in the shoes of lawyer Abbas Nuruddin our born homodin power Ashanti region. Mess sia hene ne etu ahene fo nyina say omon time Mahmoud Kabori achi sanse wa ye adwuma den wasom wa born homodin the apeja the NDC in the Ashanti region. Edi kan menua nkania ne honsem na yare hosem na ya chopa kese pa na megina NDC ene President Mahama Nemu ene obibia omata Nemu ne dia magana for hese mpanifo na kan omo asem se sunsumu pe nenso honama de IMRE menu nyina be dia dance as President Mahama first time obedi wa bam no 2014 to 2016 ade ba akopa edi NDC enya electricity anase dum so enti menyin ni say John Dramani Mahama His Excellency ebesa pe ana ebe ne dese the current situation we esen koso in his time but said them kind no sunsumu pe nenso honama de IMRE. There are times agana hano say problem ba instead of us fixing it ne aye ho say the managing no so nim say there is a difference between fixing something and managing something. How this out here in bia where we adwuma na so uti pile instead say bia anka be hospital ni diagnose ni hu uti no yare kra o yare no so ma me pick painkiller bi na menya dey menom we painkiller na amuna mu ho ade uti na ye oya no ebedwodwo ubetimi dia nante ubetimi dia ko adwuma so nenso yare ne de dey ehye ho nti so be kai amemfa anko achi kwa 2021 yencha na yemonidi yana na otumfo se tutu na yense ne sana daroma ne ne dim anope ne nana no me ebonidi ndi ayede akansem kaka so be kai se 2021 na ka se ne fridge mu niam nyina asese hama afi nuane ode ahye mu nyina ayede asese appliances nyina asese fast forward to 2023 na esan course ama Ghana fo bi koto ye energy minister era Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh na omkoka se doctor se di dum so na ba ma ade na wo ye de wo ya fa ho na all the timetable beba na area na bukoka se mo ankasa mo nkoye mo timetable it is over here NPP aban free aban mu 2024 omoko ya na energy crisis about but can we say the same thing for 2017 2018 say abrajo Mahama free aban mu 2016 na yenu no MPP for buy no 2017 2018 2019 they did not counter this problem because na NDC aban ne den hihye ye bebre gu akwan mu na sustain your energy sector no ye nim de ekobae ayenuano mo bae most of your transformers enyame na meka ekosoa since 2021 2023 na sa bre no ananke be pe asem na pomasi bre no ne yesoso ano ne de aba be duru ba bia de ade edri na fofia ankoto ata ye transformers aye dada ne yakoso mu a provide over 800 to 1200 megawatts of power. We say mining na approximately it may generate be 5000 megawatts. Hoko akoso mo nko they provide over 800 to 1200 megawatts. Ti the chene say 5000 megawatts na you produce no every day no by virtue say we na efrim ninti over 1200 megabytes so I the efrim eno na yes Ghana for say minister na kasa say enra mako 6 ni nyina hye no engineers aye adwuma edi menu aye de aba baako aka no omo bo omo ho modern say omo de beba Kwame Nkwantabisa sansem bi sei no eya na enya nwanwa se aban bi beba wo eya na enya nwanwa because amemodie de ya obinya baabi ede na obinya baabi ede enwono se wuduru baabi a enwono no asabre no ene ye wosi hu se indeed your leadership saa brain yehia kasade yehia hobrase yehia mpanimfo mu betimi atwe oman mu ni nyinaa ede haba together because this is a national canker menyi ni say minister no kokoduru ni fie ni asonkane a no ofre ne maame he wo sebe village na maame ka chense edum ne nkane a minister na bede hebe ne de it what I like about this government and kwan a offer so all handle problem we hey ahobrase ene obuo kwan a NDC aban e fa so e dey address this issue who say men kan kwachi ko bisa minister ba ko so on dey on obi anko any timetable but who say asemi ba ya e ko bisa energy minister o say ye nya abotre na timetable na ban na nka say de e ye ho adwuma the message say electricity dey say a basic necessity how say wada sorry anope also onum koko how say wada sorry anope also pe wa bi na odi untimi nyi kani anye dey enfim ti dey be send this aban yin say John Dramani Mahama His Excellency wo wa e bida o yo se ade yo Ghana for enim say wo na oba obetimi aye nyame kran de da na se eye wo John Mahama time and asa problem we aye de aba ye be sew so be hwe no wasum no waso anu once and for all na NDC yenso so yenye de yen manage problem we ne be fix no se de be ye be fra ban mu no sa de we nye de enkonko ba biem timi nu amede ma no sin me de a cho pa na me de ma Ghana for so mother Roma omunya abotre omunum su entwen ope minim se John Mahama enye ne de da minim se energy minister enya ne deda na Ashanti region ha kra de ye ne signet one foreign company edin koma energy minister say in the course of the week or in the course of us in the upcoming days ye the special machines he said that bakuma say Ashanti region ha hadi abeso ye nyinam kania nim okay say Ashanti region nyinam kania ne ye na ebobo ne under the MP people mokofa Maria president Mahama de bae no e no de ba be see hangoma so the question is sabre no komu ja Mary ne manisi ho and I'm come so a new one at the Babacan one. Kabianka problem where I come yenye de yehu, but John Mama say or for special machines, not their bar santimantema. Now ye they be produce energy. Na said their santimantema a dready is sidaya come so say electricity ni wa yintiminya de indi yedra. Tia best share Ghana for so mother Roma or munya about my with us.
Mr. Dankwa.
Gwanda, I mean 10 year market been free. Many say NDC omuntimi 24-hour economy no because on beto omu inherit criminally managed economy. Yes, I know okay. We joyonline.com date near 20th May 2025. Mahama admit inheriting 8.98 billion reserves from previous government. And then again, Ghana Statistical Service also indicated the growth rate as at that time 2024, handed over to the NDC. Now it was 5.7%. What is the current growth rate? It's hovering around 3.4, 3.7%. So where lies this argument? Say economy better na enye. It need to mean 24 hours. It is a deceit. You promised the people and you've deceived them. Simplicity. Or see the interest rate above form. At the end, above form. Dollar above form. That is their slogan. Gwanda, what do you mean? Quite the crowd. Where you be you can get your politics. Get way be. Say, see the no any holding. Dollar will form. Dear Ben rate will form. In Kwanta Brana na interest rate was wrong. Now dollar was 14.74 Ghana cedis no. En kwanta bella kwansuo park no. Ekufa rappers near 30 Ghana. And now dollar ni bibia ba from near 40 Ghana. E papa mo no. And na Ekufa rabana na enye no. Wan kwankwa je 17 billion Ghana cedis afa metua Ghanaian workers ka. But and na I must see economy ni ye no. Ato forcing a force ora Mahama amana kwaje bosian 17 billion ansa no wotumi twa Ghanaian workers ka ena me ne wo kasa sisi pure water so ye nyina we de me see ye kageti am politics because dollar or form raising deben single rate inflation whatever it is there and then pure water Ekufa personal park near 5 cities me ne nkofo no somebody cause 7 cities ni 12 cities me boa ntini papa mu no and a digestive biscuit prempesa o kan biscuit ni bi adana he e bi tagu ni kan digestive biscuit pack net 12 cedis 10 Ghana cedis enne aban papa abano 12 Ghana cedis. So where lies inflation above from we above from then we munai. Until the people out there are judging you by your own statement. So if you are principled enough, don't come and tell them say see the need dollar above from until we above from when you ma bo kwa na ekosoro Ghana for soon send them boarding anami boa enek enko trotro for omo fu trotro so mu soon prempe na me boa bia o be so fu trotro so we dem chiri enti enne hwe me si nkwante wo ko kejetia baby asabe na yekogu issue yekod sabe kafra twi kasem yekodwo so na ye 1 Ghana cedi na aban papa ba yekodwo so ye 2 cedis 100% increment Johnson kodwo so kejetia and says ya ko twa to 5 ko twa to. So we will do the local politics for people to understand say the NDC indeed have deceived the good people of this country. Now let us come to the electricity fina. So if President Mahama himself has admitted, say he inherited an economy worth 8.9 billion with a foreign reserve, with a growth rate of 5.7%, you dare not come and say Obaine economy no has been criminally mismanaged. Baby. Why are we paying for the inefficiencies of ECG today? Why? Why? Because the current minister, John Jinapo, once said, Ghanaians are not supposed to pay for the inefficiencies of electricity company of Ghana, ECG. Mini akofi poku otepankro nani hu antwon Kenya ne adum no man fifre bi ete no because nya Kenya amfanya adwuma. Then the same gentleman, that sitting president today, then in between 2012 and 2017, onso no kwa no na ema Ghana for tumi da sumu sam ye ho kire owi a no waka kire Ghana for say mo pekani adamu dia monya mo adwensem betu agira mo abo. He said it. And I'm Pacho Ref, you want it. It was the same president who is saying that today. The same president said it the last time. And now me check it. My story is kitu heavy. And I'm who say, Sir Orama Hama Brebi Drew or catch a Ghana for say you're charging mobile phones to do. And into the young Kenyan name. Pacho want to ask them. Then when they were promising in 2024 general elections, no, Omoka 24-hour economy beer. Yes, you benya reliable power source. Now you're saying affordable and cheaper electricity prices. That was what they told Ghanaians. And now I'm going to tell you, that was what they told us. No, but I'm saying, but no, but I'm saying, Omo catch Ghana for say when they come to power, Ghana for benya Kenya boa e wo fom. You benya Kenya dem a friend reliable power source. That was what they said. And I'm pacho nyasanom kind. Good. But fast forward when they came into power, look at the kind of songs they are singing to us. Says ya no box a praise na light no off. Unya box pesa praise na dum off. Me ba misro. Good. And one mama a double slaps. We are talking about buying also a cheaper prices of electricity. What they make call charging me 8.33%. Or hanji chemu what we actually pom yensa ni miensa. Sasa me koto fuel bia na ubete me 1 Ghana cedi me to 1 gallon. Oh, tell me 4 cedis 50 pesos. Whether I buy diesel, whether I buy petrol or kerosene or whatever, gas or whatever. Oh yeah, the same about me cheaper price, no. Asa increasing electricity tariff by some 30%. Oh, hanji chemu eduasa. Yet I have no light to use. I'm contact yeah, what Jimmy time? Oh, me time. There be now to sanka mama tie no firi okra because man it need any France na man to aso. But the woman yan say, kwanta the woman yan say sia me no kase. Me pacho. And ti say man kan so onye late. Say me adam ye late Harris kasa. Ene magazine. Omunya kani amfanya adwuma. Baba fo nya kani amfanya adwuma. Washing bay for enya kani amfanya adwuma. Ene later na fo osu.
0548931931 0551.
That was a man who said more can I say electricity was na musi dum kale na monka hu se me na na funu chef regime ba ko to se na na chef was na na chef regime.
Hello, good morning. Senior, hello, good morning. Na boko de
Nyame adom na so e.
Nyame adom mientie wa no pay.
Akwasi agua taxi driver ni. Mami wura na minchia ozu bempa oye incoming chairman o isia so. Na asantema nyina kuka IK. Na light ni de me akwasi agua kra de na mpese gya ho asemka. The Ghana na yepe ho an ye nya yinti no. Yenya ho asangba. Na baby am interest wo pa ye anope nkomo ya ne onimunyamfo ne di wo for no. Efa ai for prostitution for no. Azana na mudi san komo na me interest wo pa. Na mudi nkomo yi na me frɛ be ma bi o ta ko. E na me say munti mun komo na di wo Sompa no na adinti na ya mko. Na o say ya na mo mko ne say enen Ghana for ma na aba no mo abayre do. Enti o mko a ni ma ya to. Na tu almost we reduce stress. Obi betima aware ona na yerete yen kompasa na mabre ma so ko wa na bre bia ni ho na mu chu e di se minister re kire se you push it man ba o man do a on kan we say Ghana for me man say o mu reduce stress ba I don't count na me man no e u you know oh na me ka o me o bi o ata na me ba o
ba che be da say hello, good morning.
What name is that? Yarian to come on.
Catch them.
Now what we are to forget who become it. I think that's okay. It is the other side. It is sorry. You never so I'm talking political. I was in your family. I have family. Yeah, and sharing yeah. The apartment. The modern you are addicted to you for nothing. You can't say that you got it. Then they be and you cannot think of it. All the African countries in them are something kind of Ghana. You can't be a all the Ghana you no back or big and do so Ghana as well. And you are Mahama. It's not 2024. Yeah. Can be a customer say some are in 20,000. That's it. Or the well number. Oba ya dia life and you advocacy eso e ka check na for the do to ba ya educated if you say adana you are mama kwa be president ya o baba for to mosa obi go so you ma come on want to I think you know we should like this just na dia no agadi we should like there tell for we should like machines there no and mama want to mosa. Okay, who got the years to our economy? Now, like the people conform now, you know, and I didn't know yet.
Let us say thank you, Mammy Fancy. Nah, maybe your birthday's in time now soon. That's all. I'm saying, I'm quite birthdays, you know. A happy birthday goes to my brother from another mother, Nanaya Okusi. IT coordinator for MPP in Ahafano Southwest constituency and also a worker at EPA Sunyanipunu regional office. May the Almighty God bless my husband and give you long life from your wife Nana Akye Abia Martin at Senate Goso office at Ebenezer also and son of Sompa TV and Tinanayao Odoire and on now for Nuniam say I mean shout on your kese. Oh my happy birthday. Yamima Nkunimdie Mrawafa. And happy birthday to Nana Opoku Ajimai. Nana Opoku Ajimai. Nana Papa be happy birthday to you. May you enjoy grace. May you soar high. Gentlemen, happy birthday, sir. And a happy birthday to Comfort. Happy birthday to Krugu Comfort, fashion designer at Abdul Malik Fashion School Center, Kukum. Wishing you a day with happiness and a year with joy from Kwame na Acidity for Achirinsuya. And a special birthday to Esther, also known as Candy Fusua at United States of America. The Lord will fulfill his purpose for you as is written in Psalm 138 verse 8 from Keche OB, Sompa TV, Sompa FM. Or say happy birthday to you, Esther. Happy glorious birthday to Dr. Franco Usuansa, popularly known as Sir Franco, a sports journalist at Kesben TV FM and lecturer at Wesco and owner of Sir Franco Media Institute from Sir Wisdom, some passports. Dr. Frank, happy birthday to you. We wish you the very best from Sompa TV, Sompa FM. Happy birthday. Na dio dear nimu pa. And so our day bro, Sir Wisdom. Yes, say happy birthday, Sir Franco. And happy birthday to Akosuya Lazy from all the family members and her friends. They wish you a fantastic birthday. Akosuya Lazy, Akosuya Papa B. Damisha Ononyo Kese. Happy birthday to you. On that note, Dana Kwame Nkwantabisa ni Amanfo Nkwantabisa na besomo. Some radio sports why ready. Amuso esumye.